Welcome. In this video we will go through the new durability and cross-sections ribbon tabs for ANSYS version 25. ANSYS' latest version offers a fully updated interface with improved aesthetics and optimized user experience. Durability and cross-sections functionalities are now organized to ribbon tabs in order to minimize the number of buttons and allow the users to have direct access to main functionalities. Help them work on specific discipline and domain and focus only to the required features and tools. Group the functionalities and provide a workflow-based environment, easy to keep up with from start to finish. To activate the Durability tab, open the More menu, and from Analysis select the respective option. The tab consists of 10 different button groups which contain all the functionalities to set up a durability analysis. The main idea is for the user to start from the left by defining extra entities using the Create group, and finish all the way to the right by submitting the job to the solver. So starting from the Create group, we can easily and quickly define boundary conditions and loads to the model. For example, we can quickly create gravity loads for the whole model. Next, the Reduction group provides functions regarding reduction techniques like rigidize or model cut. For instance, model cut can help us keep only the model's part that we are interested in, and delete the rest. Moving to the Connectivity group, from which we can define widely used entities like pretension, contacts or bolts. In particular, all the functions related to the contacts have been collected and organized under the respective button. There are also the Trims, Mapping, Material Modeling and Analysis Types button groups which contain various specialized and deck-oriented tools like the MetaDB function or the transfer results. Next, the Load Case group contains extra tools like test device positioning or oil canning, and of course the load case functions in order to edit an existing or define a new header, step manager, or a load case assistant using the respective options. Before the final step, there is the Tools group which contains the checks for ensuring the model's integrity, in addition to other functions. At this point we are ready to submit our job to the solver by using the options from the Solver group. To conclude, the new Durability tab provides the users with a more direct and straightforward working routine, in comparison to older versions, in which they had to track functions from the numerous module buttons to different menus to locate specialized tools, or deck-oriented functionalities. Moving on to cross-sections, that now have a dedicated ribbon tab. It can be accessed either from the Cross-Sections Tool button at the Structural tab, or from the More menu, similar to the Durability one. The tab contains 8 different button groups, hosting all functionality required for 2D cross-sectional analysis. Through the tab the user can create and modify cross-section, using either the 2D sketch option, which enables a temporary tab, or the Create function to define standard profiles. Set up their properties from the respective group. Calculate their sectional attributes with the selected cross solver at the Calculation group. Evaluate cross-section stresses using the options in the Loading and Results groups. And finally from Tools create and extract the beam property for 1D elements. This concludes the demonstration of the new ribbon tabs for durability and cross-sections. Thank you for watching.